morning, everybody. Guess what? I can't sleep, so I went on coupons.com. They did add this BIC coupon again, but it does expire in 3 days. So if you guys were not able to print it right away as soon as you guys can, because it will not last long, and get to a store and use that coupon for free razors at Walmart. If your store does not allow it, have them show you their policy, because their policy lets you use overage. A lot of you guys said your stores will not let you do that, but they still do. And then they have a new coupon that popped up, Johnson's Baby or Desitin. That's a great coupon. We got Listerine, $1 off of that. And then I think the Aquaphor lip was new, and then I just printed some other ones too. And then you guys want to go to CVS coupons, and you guys want to print off this coupon. It is a CVS coupon, so you guys can combine that with a manufacturer coupon. So I just wanted to show you guys coupons to print. Make sure you print off that BIC one and the CVS Colgate toothpaste or toothbrush coupon right away, and I will see you guys all later. Bye bye.